For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
The Pi network is a somewhat weird case in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. It has gathered a considerable amount of consideration and interest, but then, you can't get it anyplace. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet, and the best way to get it, essentially for the present, is to mine it. Regardless of not having a cost at this point, the Pi coin has a ton of devoted fans. The venture's basic reason and strong specialized establishment have previously drawn in a significant number of crypto lovers. The Pi network has a functioning local area, and its client base continues to become dramatically step by step. Presently, the primary inquiry remains, will the Pi coin at any point arrive at trades and offer its holders a chance to cash out? Also, assuming that occurs, what sort of cost could clients at any point hope to get for their newly mined Pi crypto? The Pi network project is very extraordinary. Not just has Pi ascended to popularity while not in any event being recorded at this point, yet it likewise is notable for being somewhat simple to mine. As per its engineers, the Pi coin is the primary digital currency that can be mined altogether on one's cell phone. One simply has to download the Pi network application and get a greeting code from one of the current confided individuals. Pi coin price prediction 2022 to 2027. Presently, it appears to be possible that the Pi organization will begin getting recorded on trades in the final part of 2022. On the off chance that in all actuality does to be sure occur, we will at long last see the cost of the Pi coin transcend $0. Interestingly, as a rule, when such a popular and notable venture becomes recorded its cost skyrockets in the initial not many days or weeks. As individuals hurry to get involved with the new conceivable large thing, the popularity will push the market cap and the Pi's team up. Be that as it may, such cost energizes seldom keep going long. Much of the time, the digital money crashes a couple of days after the underlying mooning because of individuals attempting to offer off their coins to create a speedy gain. The inquiry is, will the equivalent happen to the Pi coin? In our Pi network cost forecast, we investigated both Pi's assets and shortcomings and the value history of digital currencies with comparable use cases. Furthermore, we additionally needed to consider what will happen to the crypto market from now on and how Pi could squeeze into the crypto circle before very long. Kindly note that this is all unadulterated theory. We've made this Pi network cost forecast in light of the supposition that the cryptographic money will send off an open mainnet in June 2022 according to plan. Pi coin price prediction 2022. As per our supposition that Pi's cost will pursue the very directions that numerous other altcoins do, this digital currency will have a meeting in the final part of 2022. If the open mainnet is sent off according to plan, we could see the Pi coin being recorded on trades in July 2022. Pi coin price prediction 2023. 2023 may be the year that the crypto business bounce back and recuperates from the ongoing bear market. The Pi coin is probably going to follow any market blasts that happen, so 2023 could see its value ascending to new all-time highs. Also, the general promotion for crypto can enormously help the Pi digital currency. It is novice amicable, allowed to mine, and is associated with the Pi number, assuming that the publicity happens in late winter of 2023, its group can publicize really on Pi Day. Another thing to note while making any future Pi coin value expectation is that it tends to be very rewarding for organizations to put resources into and take on. For instance, it fits the standards Elon Musk has set for a cryptographic money that might possibly turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Pi coin price prediction 2024. Our cost expectation for 2024 is that the Pi crypto will keep on rising. As we have referenced already, any kind of promotion in the crypto local area can extraordinarily help this computerized cash, supporting its cost. On the off chance that the market doesn't recuperate and remains at a similar level it is currently, we don't see Pi turning out to be unquestionably productive, yet it can in any case be a wise venture. All things considered, in the event that you procured it for $0, Any value the Pi crypto arrives voluntarily give you a benefit. Pi coin price prediction 2025. What will Pi be worth in 2025? On the off chance that all works out as expected, the digital money will probably remain generally at a similar cost level for some time, similarly as numerous altcoins do. Under this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market is blasting or when it gets siphoned by the local area or the devs. Obviously, in case it gets seen by a superstar or a major business, Pi's cost could rise dramatically, possibly in any event, going more than the $1. That, at the ongoing assessed circling supply of 40M, which will just increment with time, would put its market cap generally at a similar number as the ongoing business sector capitalization of XRP. Pi coin price prediction 2026. Our Pi coin cost expectation for 2026 is that the digital currency will figure out how to arrive at highs it has not seen previously. All things considered, we expect that this task will earn more consideration as years go by, so just normal its cost will rise. The way that the Pi network has taken on a versatile first methodology will help it later on. The computerized world is gradually exchanging away from utilizing PCs to tablets and cell phones. Despite the fact that it is almost difficult to make a genuine Pi coin value expectation and name the Pi coin's future value, we can see that it can possibly become one of the main computerized coins. Pi coin price prediction 2027. What will happen to the Pi organize in 5 years? Indeed, the truth will surface at some point. In the event that all works out positively and the coin gets recorded as arranged as well as endures the accidents that will undoubtedly follow its previous meetings, then, at that point, this computerized money gets an opportunity to make due till 2027 and, surprisingly, become productive for every one of its holders. Taking into account Pi mining is free, all that you make from selling the digital currency can in fact be a benefit. In any case, there's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that Pi mining could become unrewarding that far later on. All things considered, anybody that has at any point attempted to mine coins realizes that the cycle has consistent losses. We question that even the somewhat low starting venture costs one requirements to pay to mine the Pi coin will actually want to counterbalance the halvings, expansion, and the rising number of excavators. Can we ever buy Pi coins? This is the issue that most clients who have had a go at mining Pi coins are attempting to track down a response to. In the event that the group behind the venture is to be accepted, yes, there will come when this cryptographic money will get recorded on trades, and Pi network worth will transcend $0. Nonetheless,